vlog. Excited to get things rolling this week. It seems ready to go. Excitement high, some fun projects going through, so let's get at it. Taking the day on the road. It's a Thursday, taking the opportunity to visit a couple customers. We're going to lunch with clients, longtime clients, talking through how we have done in this latest contract and how things are wrapping up. Then after that, visiting a couple other customers, and then heading to the SolidWorks User Group tonight. So excited to see some of the topics they have going on with that. Always promoting with the team to make sure that we're keeping up to date on the latest technology and always on the edge of all the new stuff coming out with the software that we use, specifically SolidWorks. So I'm going to head out to that tonight. Maybe have a couple other team members there. We'll kind of see who can make it. Up lunch with a customer, now back on the road. One thing after another today, just lining them right up. Just love getting the opportunity to talk to customers about how their experience with perception engineering is. It's one thing that we've been talking as a team is how do we provide an experience for our customers as they utilize us as a service, and then okay, experience, but what should that experience be and what should that look like? Are there specific things that we can focus on to make a better overall experience for our customer? We threw out a lot of ideas over the last week of how to increase our communication and be available as a quick turn solution to customers, and to make sure that every opportunity that we get, we're relating back to how we want that experience to look for our customer, and how we want them to feel after utilizing perception engineering as a resource. That it's not transactional, but we're looking for partners and looking to grow together, and that we really have their best interests in mind when it comes to specific types of projects and how we're doing work for them. It may be that they need help from perception engineering for a month or 2 or 6, but then that project goes away, or they no longer need us as a resource because they've hired someone on full time. Whatever it takes, just make sure that you're always looking back at how you want that experience to be for your customer. Okay, on the way to the SolidWorks User Group. I know I posted some things about SolidWorks User Groups here on the vlog before, but I'll show a little bit more. If you are part of, you utilize the software, it's a great opportunity to get out and learn a little bit more about what's coming up and some of the tips and tricks that other people have found in the industry. Great way to make connections. So if you utilize the software, it's a good place to go, and you might learn something. And plus there's food, so you can't go wrong there.
Split off into 2 groups. So if you're going to meet me earlier, my name is Ross Hahn. We are a 7-business shop. So we don't have a single figure of our own that we're designing and building. We're taking all of your design and bringing it to life. Brad, where do you want to start? because we don't get the weird, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to bring the edge or forward to it. Okay? The only
Saturday weekend here at Perception Engineering, doing a little cleaning. We're gonna go through, wipe down all the, shampoo all the carpets, just get everything prepped for another week. You can tell that sometimes things, as we're moving through and just pushing at the projects, there's certain things that need to get done that we just don't get to until the weekend. So that's what I'm gonna get into today. I'm gonna try and get time to put these blinds up as well. We'll see if we get to that. We do have to model up everything even when we go through and put in blinds. That's, I mean, we're engineers, that's what we do. Started on the blinds, missing a couple bits, so we're gonna run to the hardware store and make sure we got everything we need, and then finish up the blinds. Wow, it makes a big difference having the right bits. So got one down, one here to go. It shouldn't be too much longer, then we can go through and clean up our mess and get out of here for the weekend and get things back rolling on Monday. Boom, just like that, the blinds are up. Now it's on to the next step of... Only made a little bit of a mess. Whatever. Carpets, people. Okay, so I have been running perception engineering for 4 years now, and I still, to this day, am the one that cleans the toilet. You know, it might be another 10 years before I get out of that job, but whatever it takes in order to build this business is what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is let this kind of dry off overnight, and then I'll come back tomorrow, put all the furniture back where it belongs, and be ready for Monday. Got the blinds up, the carpet's washed. We're gonna let it sit overnight and come back tomorrow. I think that that's a week. Thanks for watching this week's vlog. We'll check back in next week and see what we have going on at Perception Engineering.